Hello everybody, welcome to my second vlog of my dream game Wijaya Kusuma. Well, since my debut on the first vlog, some of my friends were suggesting me to use my own voice. So here we go. But still, I recommend you turn on the subtitle in case there is a misspell from what I say. I was working on a lot of character creation this month, especially characters which hold the important role in the story. Before I create the character, I studied them first in order to have a clear picture for what kind of character I need, based on the story. Most of my study came from the channel Padepokan Komik Gagal Sukma. After doing a study, I decided some character to be created this month which numbered in 3. Since that, I need to create the best match for the character too. Too bad, there are only 2 characters that were successfully created in reality. The other one was still a raw concept. Before we talk about another important thing in this video, I have information which I want to tell you. I create a Patreon pack which will provide a game ready character object, and I'll make sure to update it every month. You can choose one of the 3 membership which I provide on that pack. Every membership has a different benefit which you can read directly on my pack. Every support from all of you will be the part of important sponsor in my game development. Right, so let's back to the main topic. This is what I successfully achieved in this month. I also fixed some bugs and upgrade the graphic in this game. You can realize that there is an inaccurate on-floor detection when the character goes down from some angle. Some people suggest me to add a racket on the character feet. The result is pretty satisfying, which you can now really tell if the character is tapping on the ground or not. Thanks to GAI and Awesomeness who give me the solution for the problem. Well, that's all for today. Next month, I'll try to focus on working the character animation and combat system. So, see you in the next devlog and have a nice day.